Hi, it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics. I'm here with Joe Booth from the Altus Group. How are you doing?
Yeah, very well, thank you. Thanks for coming to see me.
Absolute pleasure. It's really good to see you. And I understand you guys have been doing very well over the last 12 months or so.
We've been trying. We've been doing our thing. I think we benefit where others don't because of the range that we have, our portfolio. I think the last few years we've become like a one-stop shop.
Yeah.
That's what I keep trying to say, you know. So customers can come to us and buy an entire production facility rather than a machine or process. So yeah, I mean, I know there's a lot of doom and gloom out there, but Q4 was brilliant.
Good.
And actually January started really strong.
Fantastic.
And I just love being at the show.
Yeah.
I know some people get tired, but for me, I kind of like thrive off it.
You come alive, yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
day two, we're doing all right. You know, it's quite busy.
Brilliant, that's great stuff. And it's not just traditional electronics, as you say, you've got much wider sort of variation of products that you can offer to people. So this one-stop shop benefits when some markets may be struggling slightly more, you can look at the other factors.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think if you walked around and spoke to pick and place manufacturers, most of them would say 2024 was pretty rough. They want to put it in the rear view and get past it. For us, because we've got an entire process for THT, entire process for back end, if SMT is not doing so well, there is customers investing in other areas. We know that the labour shortage is a problem.
Yep.
We know that wages are increasing. Brands for us that did really well are those that address the labour shortage specifically.
Okay.
So conformal coating, moving away from manual spray to an automated process. Robotic soldering, moving away from hand solderers into an automated process. And then component management and other areas where you're really tackling an inefficiency at a site. Because let's face it, if you've got an SMT line, if it's running at 80%, but your hand soldering is down at 10% of what it could be, then clearly the smart investment is to address the weaknesses rather than make the good stuff better. I kind of think CPH is keeping up with the Joneses, you know. How fast do you really need to go when you're a contract manufacturer in the UK? Not that quick, really. You know.
Okay, all right, great stuff. And as I said, I know you've had record years. Lots of your companies we're all aware of, particularly Co-Young, who are with us all around the world. So, what else do you see? What do you think the future is, next steps?
Well, Co-Young is always our best supplier. I can say that others have good years and bad. Co-Young is the reason we're the size that we are.
Okay.
They're the gift that keeps on giving. We've done incredibly well competitively over the last 3 years on evaluations of new customers. So now we're really feeling the benefit of repeat orders.
Okay.
Last year we had a lot of repeat orders from work that we've done prior. And Co-Young keep pressing ahead, leading the market. We're really excited about their Neptune product.
Yes.
With PVA being really strong in conformal coating, having the Neptune alongside that is another sort of, tool in our tool shed that customers need to solve.
Okay,
And then, of course, we keep selling more and more AOI and SPI, where they really are the market leader. And I think if you went round and looked at lots of CMs in this hall, they kind of use Co-Young as their tool to say, we take quality seriously. They're seen as so important for a production facility that is the clout they have. And so it's a gift that we've got them in our range, to be honest.
Amazing, good stuff, fantastic. Well, thank you very much for seeing us. I hope the show continues to go well, and I hope Altus's growth continues as well. And let's catch up again soon.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, cheers.